adofo ma mo so ye munua ba lyrical hipsy ene wo eni komo twetwe so me ni munua ba
Augusta Anthony Bisi
and asem se o hono se o ye oba wa fa afu no wa hospital ama doctor ehu se o HIV mo ani bi ewo afutu o mo de be ma no ubedi so se de be ye betimi ampo awoba no na onya mo ani bi ana so we will be a bia to that for adwenche ebra comment section ase dey ntimi fa mbo ye nua o de na asem abedan ye se de be ya obetimi abo ne ho ban ene ne ba no afri yare no enti asem na o de ba ye making kind. Hello Eni Papa, please help a friend. She is on your page too and will be reading anonymously, please. Please, she is pregnant, found out her HIV status positive. She has started taking her ARV drugs, but she is scared to breastfeed her baby when born, even though the midwife has assured her that the baby will be fine without getting the virus. She is not convinced, so she wants to know if there are mothers here who have been in her situation and the success story of the baby not being infected. Thanks. Enti adofon ma mo hwe asedi nyina ne se ababa wa yise na danfo bi onyem na onyem no find out say o HIV positive a onum nimdo kama na so osuro se ebi owo a o ma ne ba no fu a akra no ebenya yare ni bi ana midwife for etu ne for say o akra ne de owo na o ye safe it depend the way a any the way how o be take you no anyhow metro say man no for enti akra no onya bi na so osuro say chinchine a yare no ho ne nko ade e bia na akra no enya bi enti maamefo a e bia wo ha a onya bi say tu owo ye no kwan ben so ana wo fa ya oba no wanya yare ni bi enti eni ahwefo moma yemfa sa asem we so na yemfa mo enia ba no hu di owo a obeye enti me nua ba na asem ben na obetimi aka fa asem.
Oh, say Dr. Nina, also like midwives for na amana like oma assure say oh like we taking the drugs in your man bit ma prevent and I'm requiring TB say be na ma many positive in the banana like still no breastfeed on but still na nkwane ne there eh nya difference of like say their first one call hospital area first they are going so somebody can test like if you are can test if you are still HIV positive and other testing and making sure say they are saying the best so that yeah or make me prevent akwana the free to be sure say odi nurses for na midwives for na doctors for say no mesi a church and say niema wonye ne niema wonye me to say bitimi abona ma akwana so ntimi de enye
Enyaba and asem kakra ye wo ma on say de hia say ubedi de doctors any midwife for no ebeka atro no so say de ebe ya ebeba akwa no ho ban ebia o start na wo ma no fusuo na e was some month e bi o meka tro say oh this month no feed ubana kodu ebia wa wo ne foforo ne tu ebia 6 months enti wo feed na free newborn no e ko 6 months a no we twa so no amane eduane ayeden edi ba ma before bi wo ho asodin ti se ne ba ne benya bia obe feed akra na ma abro 6 months no enti abasa who be infected akra with the what the sickness no ba se utimi etia futuo no a midwife no mo nim se wo yese ya eno na beboa utimi tie na wudi so a wonso betimi anya a healthy baby without the virus enti de hia se wo betia futuo no na unro mo se no no wanom ne pepepe se de be ya afumso bia chema bia ne de enti na so sa wo akora no so a make sure say ebia bibia twa enioma ebetiti woni akora no and also something like that the ebe ma woni akora be at risk no midwife for na chewa na why dey what the super pepe so the be ya obenya a healthy baby without the HIV virus until you ba a wo de wasem abedan yi afutu kakra ene ye wo hodo ma
Until yesterday, so every corner while when you do, maybe I'm not who side any bit. Nobody is no who they won't come and send me a bear. I said, near maybe I'm bear, and I say, Bia, Musin, and Miss me a preventing, and won't say, Bia, Kuna Catibia, or bet like obituary, and maybe a postal a brand one. I say, Bia, a brand will be ain't me and make cow comb on so your name.
Ain't I was saying who said, I will walk up for a vulnerable. Yare bia to me attacking at any time. It's now walk crack. The Timmy born a panier, a whole drop a brace and a bear, you be protecting it from any disease ever back. Because I cry for a picture. It's or you're exposed to any sickness. Aha! 80 said, bear man and war. Who was a when you been? I was say, would Timmy born a money, oh, bra kwame, bra coffee, bra. Because hospital quarter stay and you see, I will be saying now. It was so show more jamshe. A bit of why not a bear man, the dear mouth, and I will be in your mood. A bit of why a bit more spiritual. But spiritual is different from dear, yeah, can see, dear can see medically. Ain't he? Said a bear, Obabo, Bano, buying a free year in Munti. There's Shawa, a yet here foot midwife, doctor, and I say, Mammy Pia, when I really be on the boy. I will tell you, born a man who buy a free arena, a foot to a bed or the bema. It's a dozen man more shame. So I could be good say that now will be a more way I really be. Our way and so the bang where you be a more fun back comment section. The end ya bam, a baby ready. No one dear obey. Said a
midwife. Mooning near me was away and near many say, oh, yes, so I meet me to adventure a flower to fire then. Upper comment session will reveal Mr. saying, oh, yeah, and the bunny baby, and Nadia was share beating me born in the bunny and the bunny to me and the end. I really see. Yeah, that was it. Bye bye.